Non-native species can wreak havoc. Conservation agencies worldwide spend millions of dollars annually killing healthy wild animals deemed non-native to protect local ecosystems. But new research from Aarhus University in Denmark and the University of Oxford suggests this widespread practice may be fundamentally flawed. Scientists analysed 221 studies comparing how native and introduced large mammals affect plant communities across the globe. Their findings challenge decades of conservation thinking. Both native and non-native large herbivores showed remarkably similar impacts on plant abundance and diversity. Dr. Jeppe Christensen from Oxford's Environmental Change Institute explains that the ecological effects of these animals relate more to their individual traits than their origin. Small-bodied selective feeders like deer tend to reduce plant diversity, regardless of whether they're native or introduced. Meanwhile, larger, non-selective feeders, such as buffalo, typically enhance biodiversity by preventing any single plant species from dominating an area. The research reveals a critical factor often overlooked in conservation planning. Individual animal body mass matters more than collective weight. As Dr. Christensen notes, one elephant can push over a mid-sized tree, but 50 red deer cannot achieve the same landscape-altering effect. This study exposes a conservation paradox. We're spending enormous resources removing animals from areas where they're considered invasive, while many of these same species face extinction in their native habitats. Professor Jens Christian Svenning from Aarhus University suggests that functional niches left vacant by prehistoric extinctions might be better filled by animals with similar traits, even if they're non-native. The research advocates for a fundamental shift in conservation strategy. Rather than making decisions based on cultural notions of belonging, scientists should evaluate all animals through the lens of functional ecology. This approach could enhance biodiversity conservation while fostering a more nuanced understanding of how species contribute to ecosystem health and resilience. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.